Hi, it's Dara, and today we have the Allurr box. So I just got this along with my Ipsy. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. I'm wearing a few products like the blush and the lipstick. See what I think of those in that video. So we have the Allurr box. Like I said again, this is a $15 subscription plus tax or shipping. So shipping it differs. So they say your basis is $15 and then it goes into everything else that would include, like I said, such as taxes. So the first thing I see is this Allurr lip gloss in the shade Vibe. So let's take a look here. Okay. I think I have one of these. I am not sure. Ooh, it smells like cake batter. So this is like a nice color. Let me put it on my lips. I already have lip gloss on, but that's fine. I put it over the lipstick. One of my favorite formulas for lip gloss is not like when you go and it doesn't stick. That's when you know it's a really great lip gloss. Really like it. Okay, first impressions, yay! Okay, next thing we have going on. So there's two, which I'm glad for. Is this one? What is this? Okay, so this is the St. Tropez Bronzing Water Gel. And this is a self-tan purity. It's 24 mils, 8.8 fluid ounces. And they came without gloves. I'm like, yay! This is a tan mitt applicator. So I'm glad that they actually came with that. Because I'm like, ooh, you know my hands are going to be all jacked up. All jacked up. Here's one thing that I'm kind of concerned about. Blue by Jean So. This is a cleansing, exfoliating, brightening powder. Like, that's like half filled, first off. But I don't know what it usually is, but I don't know what this is. So mix a tablespoon of Erase with a half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face and let dry for 1 minute while damp. Gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser pills, taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week or as needed. Okay. I mean, again, I don't know how much is supposed to be in here, like, to be honest, but okay, so I'm guessing what you do, and the opening's not that big too, so you probably have to like pour some out and do whatever you need to do. But this is interesting. I'm really curious because I do get blackheads, like, and I do have large pores. If anything, that's what my sister doesn't have, is she doesn't get the blackheads here, and she doesn't have large pores like I do. So let's try this. Yes, 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 yes. And then we have Laneige. This is the Water Bank Moisture Cream. La 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 la. Okay, so it comes in this little tubey tube. I'm like, is there any sort of like directions? Gently spread from center of face outward. Okay, that's it. I'm like, got it. Don't know much about that. Okay, so in second to last product, we have this Model Co. Eyelights Metallic Shadow. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. That's sticky. Like, that's real sticky. Like, I'm gonna have to work with this to see exactly how you put this on, dude. Just like swipe it and just be like, okay, let's wait for it to dry. Okay, that is something, that's definitely something new. And then here's something that I need. These are anti-frizz sheets, portable hair luster sheets with coconut oil and UV protection. Tear open the package, remove sheet, gently wipe hair from roots to ends with sheet to tame your frizz, shine your waves, and define your curls. Okay. The only thing is I'm concerned about is the coconut oil. That don't sound too happy for my hair. But it is what it is. I'm just trying to get this all into this bag so I can throw away the box. The one thing is these bags are really nice, but sometimes they overstuff them so much that they rip them on the sides. So the last like 3 bags that I've gotten have been ripped. And this is what it looks like. It has like a little packet, like little thing you put it through. And then, well, usually there's a button, like it snaps, but now you just put it through the little thing. I don't know if they're just switching it up or what, but there we go. Yeah, but they, like, the first one I think was fine. The second and third and fourth one, since the new box has come out, like the new style, because it used to be in a box about this big, yes, and then just kind of like cut down into, it was just a box that had plastic around it and a shipping label. So I prefer those, but it is what it is. They decided to do something different, and you just gotta go with the flow. That's really what it comes down to. This shit don't want to come off. Okay. Let's go into some details here. So the Laneige, for a full size is $35. And you can enter code Allurr20 at checkout to receive 20% off water bank products, valid through July 5th. See, trapeze. So I think it's a duo that it comes in with the gel and the tanning mitt. Usually like the tanning mitt's like $5 to $10, I think. So it's $44. You can get it at Ulta.com. And this person says, of all the self-tanning formulas I've tested, foams, lotion, and sprays, this liquidy gel is a clear winner. It's easy to spread on a thin coat over dry skin, so I don't get any streak or splotches. There's no guide color, so it doesn't stain clothes. But its glistening wet texture lets you see and feel where you've applied it. It sinks in quickly, and the scent is a mix of fresh and tropical, and left zero stink behind. Let's see. One application is great for subtle glow, but I used it a few days in a row for a golden color. Okay, and then there was an option for a face mist. So it would either be the bronzing water gel or self-tanning purity bronzing face mist powder. I don't know what that is. So I guess you just okay. I guess it said they use 5 spritzes across the face, neck, upper chest before bed. Didn't feel the need to blend and was thrilled with the noticeable but believable tan when they woke up. I'm like, okay, girl, you get it. This Model Co. Metallics eyeshadow in St. Bart's. I guess, okay, that was a color. I did not see that. Is $12. You could enter code Allurr19 at checkout to receive 30% off your order off of any full-size products, valid through July 1st. Okay. And then the Laritzi, that I call it Laritzi, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but that lip gloss is $20. You can use code Allurr20 at checkout to receive 20% off your entire order up until August 31st. That's a steal. It's a palish pinkish nude that gives a 60 vibe, and one of the colleague This seems super pretty with whatever. I don't know. We'll figure that out. So for the anti-frizz sheets, oh wait, hold on, I'm missing. We'll just go back to that later. The anti-frizz sheets, for a box of 15 is $18. That's actually pretty good. You could get it at Amazon.com. You could enter code 20 NSHAIR and share at checkout to receive. Oh, and then 4 exclamation points at checkout to receive 20% off your order of anti-frizz sheets. Apparently, in a few swipes, it's supposed to help smooth, condition, and tame your trouble processed hair. I mean, this part is just processed up here, so I'm like, you can use them on just flyaways, but I like running one from my roots to my ends because these sheets also add shine without making your roots. So that's good to know, because if I tried to put this on my roots would be like, no bitch, boom, oil. Last thing is the lube by Jinso, the Erase. It's $15. Oh, that's pretty good. You can get it at evolue.com. Enter Allurr 20 at checkout to receive 20% off of your lube by Jinso skin solution set, valid through July 1st. Apparently it's made with milk powder and oats. Apparently it's supposed to render skin as soft as a baby in tiny velour tracksuits. That's cute. That's cute. I would give this one, I would give it an 8 out of 10 too, just because I would have to try them and see what it is. But it's pretty good. You know, I'm definitely going to use the lip gloss. It's just, I have to get through everything. I do want to try the water gel bronzer. I'm tired. Took a nap, but I don't think I actually slept. But I can't wait to try these products. I am super excited. Jesus Christ, I am so sorry. I just hit my knee. Oh, God. But I have so much makeup. It's not even funny. Like, I don't want to give up my makeup subscriptions, but I don't want to give up any of my makeup either. So it's a little complicated, but I think I might go through my makeup and do a purge. So we'll have to go through that. But I absolutely love my Allurr boxes. Sometimes they are a little bit off the mark, just specifically for me in general. But there are some products in here that I can't wait to try. Some of them I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to get the measurements right, but we'll have to just wait and see. But I absolutely love my stuff. So you guys have a great rest of your day. Be safe. Bye.